Micronesia Challenge is a commitment by the Federated States of Micronesia, the Republic of the Marshall Islands, the Republic of Palau, Guam, and the Commonwealth of the Northern Marianas Islands to preserve the natural resources that are crucial to the survival of the Pacific traditions, cultures, and livelihoods. The overall goal of the challenge is to effectively conserve at least 30% of the nearshore marine resources and 20% of the terrestrial resources across Micronesia by 2020. Initiated in 2006, the Micronesia Challenge is a high-level commitment by all the Micronesia jurisdictions. In the last Micronesia Island Forum meeting 2019 in Chuuk, FSM, the overall goals of the challenge has increased to effectively conserve at least 50% of the nearshore marine resources and 30% of the terrestrial resources across Micronesia by 2030.
I'm going to talk about the two key cross-cutting issues, one of which is deforestation and one is invasive species. Deforestation in Micronesia means the changes in the forest due to aquaculture, coastal development, infrastructure development and dredging, as well as landslide and other natural disasters. Invasive species, these are species that are introduced, has no economic, social, cultural, and environmental values to Micronesia.
And we all understand that the population and ecosystem are affected by invasive species, which include diseases.
Terrestrial programs, basically, they do a lot of the activities that, towards our terrestrial ecosystem. And recently, one of their activities that they've done is, working with the municipal governments and the state government to delineate the watershed lines within our terrestrial ecosystem.
We're working side by side or partnering with Reach to Reef. With Reach to Reef, we are doing our mangrove assessments, and we've already established 2 nurseries in 2 communities. And then with those nurseries, they've already started getting like seedlings and planting the mangrove seedlings. CWC, they just completed the watershed, the reforestation.
And projects that we are doing includes watershed conservation area, terrestrial area, as well as coastal line, which is the Nepal reforestation area.
The main things that we learned through social assessments and monitoring was that majority of our communities throughout FSM depend on natural resources for their livelihoods. These livelihoods that our communities so depend upon can be jeopardized by the impacts of deforestation, invasive species, and destructive development practices.
Hey, tani pereniti yo ikumawin, daw namo.